Good morning, everybody. Sunday and Diesel here. So today we're hauling. Right now, I just came from the quarry. Got GAB, and it's like about 8:20 in the morning. They told me to start at 7, so I started at 7. The guys here at the job site told me to be here by 8, and they're not even here, bro. That's alright. Getting paid by the hour anyway. So we've been here for this is the third day that I've been working here, and it's me and 2 other trucks, so 3 in total. And yeah, we're getting paid by the hour, man. So I don't mind. We started at 7 in the morning. We got the GAB, which is we came from the Vulcan Materials quarry here in Lithonia, and then from here they dig dirt and they take it. It's like two minutes away from that quarry. But yeah, that first day I got 9 hours, 7 to 4. Yeah, 7 to 4. And yesterday we got 8 hours, 9:30 to 5:30. But before that, I did 2 loads over there in Jefferson of 57 stone. I don't know how much it pays, and I asked my dispatcher what the rate was, but if it's $100, it's good, because the job site was only like 10 minutes away. So I just turned off the truck so I don't waste diesel. I still have like half a tank, and I filled it up yesterday morning. Oh, today's Friday. Tonight, or in the morning, early in the morning, around 3 to 4 a.m., I'm gonna wake up. So I'm gonna go to Tennessee tomorrow. Like I did in April. I never filmed it because I haven't started YouTube yet, but in April I did a load of stone, Tennessee stone, straight from the mountain. It was blasted from the mountain. It's a bunch of debris, like little, pieces of rock. That company there, they need the big rocks. Like they make like little, like, stones. They shape them into like big pieces of stone for like steps and shit, like for patios. And then the rest of them, they just keep it to the side. They give it away or sell it. So we're gonna go pick that up tomorrow. I'm gonna show you a clip right here of it. Last time I went, I recorded a little clip with my phone. Oh, and that day, I wanted to record that day with this GoPro, or not this one, but that day, that's when my first GoPro I ever had fucking died on me. I forgot to close the battery door, and it got wet. It started raining, and yeah, it got water damage. And back in May, I got a free replacement. So this one is it. We're gonna go to Cleveland, Tennessee, like right after Chattanooga, Tennessee, around where Rock City is. I don't know if y'all been there. But from here is 103 miles. From my house is around 130, 140 miles. But yeah, it's gonna be a long way. It's gonna be. Last time I went, I wasted a whole tank of diesel. It was like $300, and I charged him too little. Only made like what, $800 for that whole day. Nah, I need to charge more. Plus, he's getting it for free, man. It's one of my uncles or cousins. I don't know. It's my dad's cousin, so my cousin and uncle. I don't know. Yeah, I charged him too little. I'm gonna charge him good this time. Cause it took a whole day and a whole tank of diesel, man. And he gets it for free. Nah, I'm gonna charge him. The guy has money. So we'll see how many hours we make today, man. This week been good so far. I've worked since Tuesday and today's Friday. And then tomorrow we get to work too. Hey. First day, I think it was 7 hours, 9 hours, 8 hours, and then today hopefully 7 hours. At least 7 hours there. So we're gonna make good money. It's probably my best week I've had since I started. So yeah. If y'all didn't know already about that school shooting that happened here in Georgia, Winder, Georgia. That's where I live. And it happened in the school where I graduated from, Appalachian High School. Crazy. I never thought it would happen here, close, even at my school. Well, some crazy motherfucker named Colt Gray, and they arrested him. And just yesterday, they arrested his dad. Cause he's the one that fucking bought a gun for him, bro. Fucking bought a 14-year-old kid a gun for Christmas, bro. And not just that. Last year, that fucking kid, He threatened to shoot the school last year when he was 13. The FBI is investigating him and his dad, and what they should have done is locked him up for that shit. Shouldn't they be locked up for a threat like that? Or at least put on a fucking watch list? It could have been prevented, you know? Like, shit, 4 people died, and like 9 injured. 2 14-year-old kids and 2 teachers, which none of them I don't think out when I was here in school. I don't know those names, but yeah, rest in peace. It could have been prevented, man. The government should have done something about this shit. We need to start doing more, man, because a fucking kid, man, I heard rumors like that kid wanted to fucking shoot up, after shooting up the high school, he wanted to shoot up middle school and elementary school, and my little brother's in one of those schools, man, and thank God nothing else happened, because I don't want to, you know. Could have been prevented, man. Hopefully that fucking kid learns his lesson. He beat the fucking shit out of him in prison. Fucking, you know, make him suffer, bro. He don't deserve to be alive, dude. Or they should have just like shot him. They should have shot him until he got like fucking disabled, bro. You know, like give him a few fucking shots. So right now it's gonna be 9 o'clock. So I got here at, like I said, 8:15, 8:20. Shit. I'm gonna get hours today, hopefully. Cause these guys leave late. Like yesterday we ended at 5:30. And I don't see the other trucks yet, man. They're supposed to be here. 3 of us. So yeah, catch y'all back in a little bit. So. Alright, so I just got here to the dump site and looking where to dump it because the guy is not here. So I'm gonna dump it maybe right there between But wait, I'm gonna check what I have first, cause the guy told me to dump the asphalt and the asphalt over there, but I think the other guy fucking dumped it over here, man. So yeah, I need to find the perfect spot and level spot, cause I'm trying to flip over. But let me check what I have there first. So the app, I can preview it. So use my camera to look in there and see what I have, so I don't have to climb up and risk myself getting hurt. Alright, so we good. It looks like it's just dirt. So I'm gonna go ahead and dump it right there between the asphalt and the dirt. It's a perfect level spot. But yesterday I was dumping over here and it's kind of like this, you see? And so I was scared and I dumped just a little bit, and so I can drive up to the pile and level it up. And the guy's like, dump it there, dump it there. Hey man, I'm gonna try to flip my truck, man. So I flipped my truck. We're fucked. So yeah, let's get it right. Let's dump it right here. It was a perfect level spot. Fucking, they have a big ass machine. You see right there, that caterpillar? It's almost like a bulldozer. It's a track machine. Yeah, let's dump it right here for them. We can level it out, whatever it wants to do. So, you know, so I would be careful not back up too close to my camera, because I learned my lesson when I was doing night work like 2 months ago. I was doing asphalt millings and I got too close to the camera. I had a smaller tripod than this, and I dumped it right on my camera. I couldn't see it in my mirror, and when I got out, I'm like, where's my camera? Oh, it's underneath the fuck. You can see I dumped the dirt. Another truck just arrived with dirt. So yeah, I saw it leak just a little bit. Even that scares me. I know it's not gonna slip because it looks level, but the bed was leaning just a little bit because it's heavier on one side, and that scares me. One time, it was like last year in October, I was calling GAB for this paving company, and I was gonna spread it, and I was lifting it up, and about halfway I put it in gear, and it was like a little tilt, and I started raising it up even more, and I forgot to open the latch, and once I opened it, all the pressure, whatever momentum, I don't know what it's called, once you open the tailgate, like that thing like swayed, It felt like it was gonna tip over, man. That shit scared me. That was, oh my god, that was a close one, man. So let's watch this guy dump his dirt right. Go get another load. We're gonna go back empty. We don't have to bring GAB. What up, everybody? It's the next morning here. I forgot to end the video yesterday. So yesterday we did like 9 hours there hauling that dirt. Also GAB over there in Lithonia. So this week been good so far, money wise. It's like a 3.5 hour drive, almost 4 hours. So yeah, let's head over there. Oh yeah, it's a different video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. It's gonna be this Tennessee trip, so